Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Gonk cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place in your room temperature butter, followed by the light brown sugar and the granulated white sugar, then mix together until they are well combined. Lighter and fluffier to some degree, but not completely like a cake batter. That's the best way for me to describe it. You can then go ahead and add in your egg and vanilla and mix these in until they're fully incorporated. The mixture will change in consistency, and this is completely normal due to the amount of moisture that has been added, and you'll want to mix until it doesn't look split or curdled. You can now go ahead and add in the dry ingredients, which is your flour, baking powder, salt and chocolate chips. Then mix on a low speed to start with, working up to a medium-high speed, or mix until a dough has formed, being careful to not over mix the dough, as you don't want the cookies to be tough in texture when you're working with the dough. When you're ready, you can then go ahead and grab a scoop and scoop up a good amount of the dough. Take that in between your hands and flatten it, and you just want to create a little dent in the centre, and then fill that with some chocolate spread. Feel free to use whatever flavour you like. I went with just plain chocolate, but feel free to go with whatever you like. Seal it up, roll the cookie up, then place onto a baking tray which has been lined with some parchment paper. Once fresh from the oven, you'll want to go ahead and take your little Gonk cookies. I got these from Aldi, and then just place them on top of each cookie, pressing down a little bit, but they will melt, and that will secure them on top of the cookie. And here's what they look like up close. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.